Good morning, students. Okay, in last class we discussed about unitary method sums. Okay, in today's class I am going to explain eighth unit. Okay, eighth unit measuring length and measure of length, mass and capacity. Take out the textbook, Amma. Take out the textbook and running notes. Your textbook page number 110. Okay, we know already in previous classes we learned about length, mass and capacity. What is the unit of length? What is the unit of mass? Means weight. Okay, what is the unit of capacity? Measure of length, mass, capacity. Okay, measure of length. What is the standard unit of length? What is the standard unit of mass? And what is the standard unit of capacity? First, some important points about these unit. I will say some important points. Okay, write down this one first. The standard unit of length is meters. The standard units of mass. Mass means weight amount. Mass is gram. Grams. Next, the standard unit of capacity. Capacity or quantity also. Okay, capacity or quantity. Liters. Length measured in meters and centimeters. Meters and centimeters. Next, distance we measured in kilometers. Okay, so the standard unit of length is meters. Okay, length measured in centimeters means cm. Next, meters, that is m. Short form is m. Next, distance we measured in kilometers. Kilometers. This km. Kilometers. Okay. Length measured in, board is not clear. I think your mobile problem, ma. Once you log out and log in. Okay, your board is clear, children. Hamsini, once you log out and log in. Okay. First, length measured in centimeters and meters. Next, distance measured in kilometers. Next, mass. Mass means weight. Weight. Weight we measured in kilograms and grams and milligrams also. Okay. Now first here, 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Next, 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. Okay, 1000 meters. Next here, 1 centimeter equal 1 by 100 meters. Already we know this one. Okay, next, 1 meter equal 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay, first from meters to centimeters and from centimeters to meters. Next here, from kilometers to meters and from meters to kilometers. In previous classes, which class that one? In decimals unit we learned this one already. Centimeter equal how many meters, 1 meter equal how many centimeters. Next, 1 kilometer equal how many meters and how many meters equal how many kilometers, we learned that one. Next, weight measured in kilograms. Kilograms. The short form is kg. A kilogram weight are mass. Next, grams. And milligrams. And milligrams. Weight are mass. Weight measured in kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Milligrams short form is mg, gram short form is gr, and kilograms short form is kg. Photo दिया है फोटो दिया नतीश नपास में गया okay. Next here, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. 1 gram equals 1000 milligrams. 1000 milligrams. Next here, 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 kilograms. 1 milligram equals 1 by 1000 grams. Okay, these one we can write in decimal form also. Yes, here write 0.01 meters and 0.001 kilometers. Next here, 0.001 kilograms and 0.001 grams. Okay, this is about mass or weight. Kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Next one, capacity, quantity, and how to measure liquids. How to measure liquids. Capacity measured in liters, milliliters, liters, milliliters, liters. Short form is liter, LIT. Next, milliliters. That is ml. Next time, kiloliters also. That is KL. Next, 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters. Next, 1 milliliter equal 1/1000 liters. Next, 0.001 liters. Next, 1 kiloliter equal 1000 liters. That is 1 liter equal 1/1000 kiloliter, 0.001 kiloliter. These are about a measure of length and mass and capacity. Okay, in previous classes we learned this one, we know very well, but once again we will revise this one. Okay, from these one in your textbook, review exercise, children. Take out the textbook, page number 110 in your textbook. And take your textbook, page number 110. Okay, write review exercise. In review exercise, write true or false in the brackets given against each sentence. First you read this one and what is true, what is false, write down. First one, the standard unit of length is meter. Is it true or false? Yes, true, right? True. Okay. Next, remaining ones also as it is you have to do. True one means true one statements, right? True. False one statements are there, right? False. Complete that first bit, children. Next, second bit, fill in the blanks. 2 kilograms 350 grams equals how many grams? 2350 grams. Complete these, fill in the blanks also. Okay, second bit. Yes, very good. Come sit here. Okay, next one, 7 meters 25 centimeters. How many centimeters? 725 centimeters. Write like that. Okay, fill in the blanks. Review exercise and fill in the blanks. Complete, children. Next, third bit. What is that one? Select suitable measures. Select suitable measurements. Only measurements. And fill in the blanks. First one. The length of your notebook is 18 meters or centimeters or kilograms or grams or liters or milliliters. Length of your notebook. 18. How to say 18 centimeters we can say, or 18 meters we can say, or 18 liters or kiloliters or grams and milligrams. How can we say? Yes, very good. Centimeters. 18 centimeters. Write centimeters. In that blank we have to write centimeters. Next, second one. The weight of your friend Pawan is 48. Weight. How to measure weight? Say anybody answer. Weight we measured in kilograms and grams, ma'am. So here Pawan weight is 48. Why are you sitting silently? The weight of your friend Pawan is 48 kilograms. Very good. Okay, next. In 5 hours, Konark Express covered a distance of 375. 375. What is that? Kilometers or meters or centimeters? Distance. Already in before only I said. Distance we measured in what I said. Are you listening or not, children? Yes, kilometers. Some are children simply sitting, not giving answer. Okay, these three bits complete, children. Okay, first bit and second bit and third bit. These are only fill in the blanks. Only fill in the blanks. Complete your own. Okay. Next, Revant. I think Revant. Sit properly, Nana. Revant. Okay, in these one, if you have any doubt, you ask me, children. Raise your hand, ask me. Review exercise first bit and second bit and third bit. Only fill in the blanks given. These fill in the blanks already you know very well. In previous classes you learned, children. Now some are explained also. Some important points now I said na. So from that one also you can write these fill in the blanks. Anybody? First length we are measuring meters and centimeters. Distance we are measuring kilometers. Next, mass. Mass means weight. Weight we are measuring in kilograms and grams and milligrams. Next, capacity. Capacity means nothing but liquids. How to measure in liquids? Liters and milliliters and kiloliters. That is what I here given already. 1 kilogram equal to how many grams and 1 gram equal to how many milligrams. Next, 1 liter equal to how many milliliters. Next, 1 kiloliter equal to how many liters. Next, 1 meter equal to how many centimeters. Next, 1 kilometer equal to how many meters also I said now. From that one, you have to complete these three bits. First bit is true or false and second and third bits are fill in the blanks. Complete, children. Okay? Write your own and send me pics. And next, fourth bit and fifth bit in tomorrow class I will explain. These one, addition and subtraction. How to add and how to subtract. In tomorrow class I will explain. Next, worksheet, children. All of you take out worksheet. Take out the worksheet. All of you on your videos. Meshana, Rakshit, on your video. Next, Venu, Hamsini, Ayan, Uday, Meghana, Shivateja, Bhavyasri, Pradeep, Umesh, Manichandana. All of you on your videos. Show me your worksheets first. Those who did not collect worksheets, today you come to school and collect your worksheet, children. Okay? Okay, how many days completed from our worksheet? I think day 6 completed. Yes, children? Am I right? Okay, in day 6 what given? Yes, choose the correct answer. In yesterday's class I explained. Day 6 also completed. Now day 7. Day 7 what given? Here also choose the correct answer. Here subtraction and addition only given. You have to complete that one also, children. Next in day 8 here given multiplication. Multiplication expanding the numbers amount. Multiplication expanding the numbers. By expanding form we have to complete. Yes, day 7 also completed. Yes. Yes, children, day 7 also completed. Now I am going to explain day 8. Match day 8. See, children. Here first one and second one, first one example already given here. Expand 567, 500 plus 60 plus 7. Expanded the number and multiply by each term. Okay, multiply by 5 each term. Then you have to add and write the answer. Okay. Next, find the product of the following multiplication. Here also you have to do same multiplication only, same like that. Next in day 9, what is there in day 9? Multiplication. Find the product of the following multiplication by expanding the numbers. Write in expanded form and do the multiplication in before here given one example. In day 8. In day 8 what given in example, once you observe it, complete in day 9 also these multiplications. Okay, next in day 10 also just write product, means multiply and write the answer. Already 43 into 10, 43 tens are 430. Just in fourth unit multiplications unit I explained how to multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Just in 10 1 0 is there, that's why I have to write 0 and remaining one as it is numbers, right? I said same as it is, you have to do like that. Multiplication properties I explained. Okay, up to day 10 you complete, children. In up to day 10 worksheet, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Remaining one tomorrow I will explain. Up to day 10. In worksheet and today's topic also. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. First, all of you on your videos. Pradeep, Bhavyasri, Meghana. Why are hiding your videos? On your video? Revant, Shivateja, Satvik. Do you have doubt? Say yes or no. Completed. Okay, no doubt. Okay, children. Okay, in your first work in worksheet up to date and complete, amma. Next in your textbook once. See in your textbook page number 110. First bit true or false and second bit and third bit fill in the blanks complete. And next here 112 and 113 some explanation part given. Read, children, all of you. Unit of measures, higher and lower than standard units, and here one chart also given. Next these relation between the lengths and given. Here also these one you have to learn, children, all of you. Read, okay, in your textbook. That is only your homework. Complete your worksheet and this one also one time you read. Okay? Okay, children. I hope you understand today's class. Okay, thank you.